Hydraulic filter changing leave ice video guide. Install the clean filter. After heating for 8 hours, please confirm that the current temperature is within the standard range before changing the filter. Turn on the oil pump motor when the temperature is reached. Click the menu. There are 2 buttons, filter screen on, filter screen up. Press the filter screen on. Then remove the filter to be cleaned. Use a spatula to remove debris. After cleaning, put the filter back. Press the filter screen up. The filter changing is complete.